Hello ka-math learners! Welcome sa ating YouTube channel, Learn Math PH. This is the part 5 out of 5 of 2016 Entrepreneur Math Challenge Elimination Stage, Grade 8. So this is the last part ng nasabing reviewer. Nagtapos tayo sa number 20 noong nakaraan, ngayon dito na tayo sa number 21. Question, the sum of the angles of a regular polygon is 2,160 degrees. How many sides does it have? So ang ating solution guys, meron tayong formula dito. Sum of interior angles na formula. S equals the quantity of n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Where S equals sum of interior angles and n is number of sides. So, substitution lang guys. Isa-substitute lang natin yung given, yung 2,160. Isa-substitute natin dito sa value ni S. So, 2,160 equals n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Tapos ito, ililipat natin sa kabila. So, multiplication siya dito. Paglipat, magiging division. Divided by 180 equals n minus 2. 2,160 degrees. So, cancel to. 2,160 divided by 180 is 12. Equals n minus 2. Transpose itong sa kabila. So, magiging negative siya. So, magiging positive. So, 14. So, the final answer is 14 sides. Okay ba? So, using the sum of interior angles formula, nakuha natin ang 14 sides. Next problem please. Dito tayo ngayon sa problem number 22. The sum of two numbers is 20. If one of the numbers is 3 times the other, what is their product? So, ang ating solution, let x be the smaller number. Let y be the larger number. So, gagawa muna tayo ng equation based on the problem. Ang unang sabi sa unang sentence, the sum of two numbers is 20. So, x plus y equals 20. If one of the numbers is 3 times the other. So, yung y, yung larger number, is 3 times 3x. Y equals 3x. So, itong 3x, ang value ni y, isa-substitute natin doon sa naunang equation. So, x plus 3x equals 20. 4x equals 20. Divided by 4, divided by 4, x equals 5. So, nakuha na natin yung isang number. Substitution dito using this, yung unang equation. Ito, dito tayo. X plus y equals 20. So, 5 plus y equals 20. Para makuha si y, transpose dito yung 5. Y equals 20 minus 5. Y equals 15. So, nakuha na natin yung mga numbers. Pero, tandaan, hindi ito yung ating sagot. Bakit hindi ito yung ating sagot? Kasi ang tanong, what is their product? Yung product yung tinatanong. So, 15 times 5, the final answer is 75. So, 75 is the final answer. So, madali lang natin nakuha to kasi gumawa tayo ng equation based sa given o sa problem. Okay? So, dapat marunong kayong gumawa ng equation para ma-solve nyo. Kasi madali lang. Substitution lang. Next problem, please. Okay. Problem number 23. Question. A 400 milliliter flask containing a 40% alcohol mixture and a 600 milliliter flask containing a 60% alcohol mixture are put together in a single large flask. How many percent alcohol is the resulting mixture? So, ang ating solution dito guys, i-solve muna natin yung 40% of 400 milliliters. Alam natin na ang ibig sabihin ng of ay multiplication. Kaya 0.40 times 400 milliliters is 160 milliliters. 60% of 600 milliliters is ibig sabihin ng of is multiplication. Kaya 360 milliliters. So guys, i-combine lang natin ito at ito. 160 plus 360 equals 520 milliliters. So guys, nakuha na natin yung 520 milliliters. Out of ilan na yung mixture na yun nakabuuan? Sabi kanina sa problem, 400 plus 600. So 400 plus 600 is 1,000. So ganito guys, no? So 520 over 1,000. Ang sagot natin dyan guys is 0.52. So times 100 or move 2 places to the right para makuha yung percent. So the final answer is 52%. This is the final answer. Again guys, kapag sinabing off, 40% off, multiplication yun guys. 60% off, multiplication. Kaya nakuha natin yung 160 ml at 360. Add natin 520. Out of, ilan na yung new total ng flask na yun? Eh di 1,000. So 520 ml out of 1,000 milliliters. 0.52. Convert natin to percent or 2 places to the right. Move 2 places. 52% is the final answer. Next problem, please. Okay, problem number 24. A certain farmer only raises chickens and pigs. Altogether, the animals have 57 heads and 158 legs. How many chickens does he have? So, ang ating solution, guys, let C be the number of chicken and let P be the number of pigs. Meron tayong given. Meron daw silang 57 heads. Gawa tayo ng equation ulit. Ibig sabihin, C plus P equals 57. Ito yung heads ha. Ito yung ating equation 1. Tumutukoy sa mga heads. Ngayon, sabi doon, and 158 legs. Alam natin na ang chicken merong 2 legs. Kaya 2C plus ang pigs naman 4 legs. So 4P equals 158. Ito yung ating equation 2, tumutukoy sa legs. So guys, itong equation 2, gagawa pa tayo ng isa pang equation. I-transpose natin sa kabila itong 4P. So 2C equals 158 minus 4P. Divided by both sides by 2. C equals 158 divided by 2, 79 minus 2P. So guys, ito, lagyan natin ng equation 3. So guys, itong equation 3, isa-substitute natin dito sa substitute E3 to E1, equation 1. So itong value nito, isa-substitute natin sa equation 1. So C plus P equals 57. Yung C, 79 minus 2P plus P equals 57. So guys, ito, negative 2P plus P is negative P. So 79 equals 57. Tapos, itong P, tsaka 57, pagpalitan natin. 79 minus 57 equals P. 22 equals P. So, meron tayong 22 pigs. Ngayon, para makuha natin yung yung chicken, ima-minus lang natin siya sa 57. 57 minus P, 22. Ito yung ating chicken. 35 equals C. Minus natin kasi kanina, C plus P equals 57. So, this is the final answer. Kung ilan daw yung chicken, 35. So, guys, beware tayo sa question ha. Kung sinabi kong ilan yung animals na meron yung farmer, edi 22 pigs and 35 chicken. Pero ang tanong lang kasi, how many chickens does he have? So this is the final answer, 35 chickens. Kung gusto nyo i-checking, 35 plus 22 is 57. So 57 heads. Tapos 35 times 2, kasi 2 legs, 70. Ito namang pig is 22 times 4 legs is 88. 70 plus 88 is 158. So tama. Next problem please, last but not the least. Okay, dito tayo sa problem number 25. Express the answer in lowest terms. 6a minus 2 over 9a times 9a squared over 24a minus 8. So para ma-solve natin ito guys, kailangan nating kukuha tayo ng common factor. Mag-iisip tayo ng common factor ng 6a minus 2 at 24a minus 8. Naisip natin, ang common nila is 3a minus 1. So ito guys, yung 6a minus 2, di ba 3a minus 1 times 2. Kasi 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 over 9a. Tapos dito guys, sa baba, 3a minus 1 yung kanyang common. Para mamaya makancel natin to. So ito, ilan yung minultiply? I-multiply sa 3 para maging 24? 8. Yan. So 8 times 3a minus 1. Ito naman, 2 times 3a minus 1. Tapos itong 9a squared, kasi para makancel yung 9a, kasi ganito yan, 9a times a. Dalawang a yan. Kaya naging squared. So, pwede na nating makancel ito guys. Ito. Tapos, pwede makancel itong 3a minus 1. So, ito guys, makakancel, magiging 1. Ito naman magiging 4. Okay guys. So, the final answer is a over 4. So, this is the final answer. A over 4. So guys, napansin nyo, nag-cancel agad tayo. Kasi ganun din eh. Itong 2 divided by 2 is 1. Yung 8 divided by 2 is 4. Kasi kung 2 over 8, 1/4 pa din naman yun. Kaya mas maganda kung alam nyo agad yung saan yung pwedeng makancel. So yung natira lang dito is A. Ang natira naman sa baba is 4. Kasi na-cancel na to. So the final answer is A over 4. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood ng video na ito at maraming salamat sa panonood ng video series na ito. Kung hindi mo pa napapanood yung buong playlist ng 2016 MTOP Reviewer Elimination Stage Grade 8, the selected problems, I will give the link on the description box below. Kung nakatulong sa iyo ang video na ito, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learn Math Page. Kung meron kang gusto na MTOP Reviewer o MTOP or math lessons and ideas na medyo nahihirapan kang unawain, please comment down below. Baka yun na ang susunod nating maging content ng ating mga videos sa hinaharap. Pero pakiabangan ang ating mga exciting mga uploads tungkol sa iba pang mga math problems and math lessons. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel because in our channel, you will find and learn a simple and clear explanation to math lessons and ideas. And also, a step-by-step solution to math problems para ma-improve mo rin ang iyong problem-solving skills. Kaya laging tandaan ang ating outro message, every problem, there is and there's always has a solution. So, love lots, keep smiling, and keep learning. Bye! See you! Thank you!